Zero tuition fees or world-class education in the strongest job market of Europe. नामुमकिन सी बात है, but Germany made it possible. Let's talk about 7 reasons why you should consider Germany as a study destination. Let's start with number 7. Free education. Budget सबसे बड़ा मसला होता है when it comes to studying abroad. Tens of thousands of euros per year manage करना आसान नहीं है. And Germany knew this. Many public universities in Germany offer education with low to no tuition fees, though a few states charge international students a modest semester contribution fee. मतलब आपकी स्टूडेंट लोन से जान बच गई और आपका सारा फोकस अपनी स्टडीज, फ्यूचर और यूरोप को एक्सप्लोर करने पे होगा. मूविंग टुवर्ड्स नंबर 6, चीपर प्रोसेस. यूके और यूएसए जैसे ममालिक तक पहुंचते पहुंचते तकरीबन 40 लाख से ज्यादा खर्च हो जाते हैं, बट जर्मनी का प्रोसेस अराउंड 10 लाख तक हो जाता है. आई नो यूर ऑलरेडी गोइंग टू द कमेंट सेक्शन थिंकिंग इन्होंने ब्लॉक अमाउंट के पैसे तो मिस कर दिए. आई एग्री, ब्लॉक अमाउंट के 40 लाख जमा करने पड़ते हैं, but that money isn't being spent towards your tuition fees. It's your money जो आपकी living expenses के लिए आपको monthly basis पर वापस मिलता रहता है. So consider that as an investment in your future. Next is number 5, high quality education. German universities को आपके पैसे की लालच नहीं है. They need intellectual and hard-working individuals who they then equipped with the right skill set for their workforce. यही वजह है कि their education is challenging. Universities encourage critical thinking, innovation, and problem-solving skills that employers in Germany are looking for. And that moves us towards the next reason, reason number 4, ideal career growth. आपको एक ideal career growth aim करने के लिए German language सीखना is a must because 80% jobs are in German language. Germany's demand for creative and skilled talent makes it an ideal case for career opportunities across engineering, IT, healthcare, and business. With average salaries around 45,000 to 50,000 euros a year, जो कि पाकिस्तानी 1.5 करोड़ रुपए बनते हैं, top professionals in tech, finance, and engineering can earn anywhere between 80,000 euros to 100,000 euros annually. The math for that in Pakistani rupees, I'll leave that to you. Moving towards number 3, door to Europe. Germany is a part of Schengen zone, जिसका मतलब है आपको 29 countries तक रसाई हासिल है. One road trip and you won't even notice when you cross the border. Imagine spending your weekends exploring Paris, Italy or Rome without constantly applying for new visas. Germany में सिर्फ पढ़ाई अच्छी नहीं बल्कि it gives you access to travel and explore the entire continent. Moving towards number 2, transportation. Germany has one of the most efficient transportation system in the world. With high-speed trains, regional railways, buses, trams and subways, getting around is incredibly easy. Students can travel across the country using affordable travel pass provided by the university. And the best part, you can reach major European cities just within a few hours. And the last and most important one, number 1, international community. Germany हर साल thousands of international students को welcome करता है, making it a home for different cultures and religions. In short, international exposure with world-class education and making lifelong friends and building a global network that can help your career in the future. अब सवाल उठता है, how do we move to Germany? Here's where we take over. Link is in the description. I'll see you in the next session.